What up, guys? It's Timeless Bill, and you're watching Reese's Pieces. A show where we visit up-and-coming artists' house, studios, and see where their process is to becoming what they are today. Today we're here with the new two up-and-coming artists, the producer, Schizophrenia, and the artist, Big Knife. Now guys, they are up-and-coming and they are the real shit. They are coming big time to you. We're in their crib right now. Let's get up there and go see what the hell's going on because they've been recording all day, going crazy in the studio like 24/7. So let's go see. Come on, guys. All right, y'all. Big Knife right in there, along with Schizophrenia. We about to go see what the hell is going on in the stew. Oh, what you cooking? Oh, Schizophrenia, bro. That shit tough. That shit crazy, bro.
You like that shit?
Yeah, bro. How you been, bro?
Pretty good. Just been chopping these tapes up, man.
Cooking?
I've been cooking them.
That shit's cooking.
Yeah.
The show. Hey, bro, so where Big Knife at?
Yo, what's up? It's Big Knife. Yo.
Yeah, bro, it's really me, Big Knife. Yeah, man, we about to cook in the stew, bro. I got my baby Schizophrenia here.
Yo, Big Knife. Check out this new track I cooked up for you, bro. Just gas.
Well, I kind of like this one.
Just
Kind of like this one.
gas.
This shit is gas, bro. What you think, Big Knife?
Man, turn this shit off, bro. That shit is trash, bro. Put that beat you had on earlier, bro. The when I walked in, bro, that shit was gas, bro. Like, I'm about to kill you, bro, if you don't turn on that beat.
Oh, you talking about this beat?
Yeah, bro, that shit hard.
Yo, you gotta check this out. This shit hard, bro.
Oh. Bro, that shit is hard, bro. That shit going crazy, bro. Put me on the track. Put me on the mic. Yo, chewing in the crib, making bagels, doing my thing. Know how it go. Hit up the stove. Whip it all up in the trunk. Put it all up in the trunk. Oh my God. Yo, that's tough, bro. Yo, listen to that. Listen to that, bro. Yeah.
Yo, this shit, it's a hit right here. Number one.
That is a smash, dude. That is a hit. I've never heard anything like that. Big Knife. Yeah, so basically, you know, I'm just the newest, hottest, up and coming rapper. Like, I'm just coming up from nothing, bro. Like, literally nothing, bro. Like, I'm the newest up and coming rapper. Like, I'm the hottest out right now. I mean, it's pretty obvious I just made a hit, so we're gonna call it for the day. Song dropping literally today. We're dropping it right now. Well, guys, hope you enjoyed that episode of Reese's Pieces. We'll be sure to catch you next time. Stay fresh.
Chilling in the crib, making bagels, doing my thing. Know how it go. Hit up the stove. Whole little moan. Going so crazy up in this bitch. Flipping out 360, 366. Whipping up 185. Been going crazy, man. You know that's it.